Aloha my brojas! Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then hello. If you're new, I'm talking to you. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe at you new people. And I'm just gonna get into this. So again, with the last time that I did this, we pulled from this magical pink box. This Jeffree Star loving box. And I still have palettes in here that I have to review for you guys. So, let's just keep in mind, I cannot see inside. I'm just gonna grab from the top. Oh, cool, cool. So I have the new Nude from Huda Beauty. Is it Huda? Is it Huda? Huda? Huda. I don't know. Any whoosie whatsies. So, brand new, the new Nude Huda Beauty palette I'm going to review for you guys today. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get right into the video. I figured that since this is a palette review, an eyeshadow palette review, I should say, I did all of my base and my eyebrows and yeah. Because I figured you guys don't need to watch that if you're going to watch a review on an eyeshadow palette. Alrighty. So, this is what she looks like. I think that this palette is gorgeous. We have the amazing Huda on the front of it. Of course, on the inside we have the plastic insert that actually matches the front part of the eyeshadow palette. Yeah, it's so pretty. I don't know. I haven't seen many reviews for this yet. And y'all are probably like, there's so many out there. Guess what? I haven't seen them yet. So I'm just gonna read from the back what it says this contains. Because I find the back of her palettes always have a description of something in her palettes. So,
18 eyeshadows and 5 ready-to-layer textures, 10 buttery mattes, 4 multi-reflective shadows, 2 pressed glitters, 1 pressed pearl, and 1 concealer base.
What? Which one's the concealer base? Oh. There's actually a concealer base in here. It's right here. It's actually called Concealed. I just stuck my finger in it. What? Okay, I'm gonna keep reading. Prep your lids with concealer. If you guys watched my last video, then you guys know that my eyeshadow primer kicked the dust and totally creased all of my eyeshadow. So this is awesome. The shade Concealed is actually a base for eyeshadows. Okay, that's kind of awesome because I don't have an eyeshadow primer anymore. Don't know how I was going to pull up this video, but oh well.
Build your look with mattes and shimmers. Blend the multi-reflective shadows into your mattes for a diffused light. Apply over base or bare lids for a subtle pearlescent glow. Use your fingers, a sponge brush, or setting spray for maximum iridescent shine. Add the glitters with a firm, dense brush for an extra pop.
Alright. So, as it says, I'm going to dip into Concealed and put it on my eyelids. So I think I am going to try and use all of the different kinds. So with my super fluffy brush, I am going to dip in to this shade right here called Teddy. And we're just gonna put that in the crease and try and diffuse it. Next, with a little denser brush, shorter, denser. Anyways, I'm going to go into the shade Tickle. With a smaller blending brush, I am going to go into the shade Spanked and just kind of put that in the outer corner. To really kind of smoke out the outer corner, I'm going to dip into what I think is the darkest shade of the palette, which is Love Bite. Okay, so I have the 4 multi-reflective shadows on my fingers right now. So if I am getting this right, this is Daydream. This kind of reddish shade is called Fantasy. This one is Crave, and this last one on my pinky is called Charmed. So I'm going to take the pinky shade in Daydreamed and just put it all over my lid. At least we're gonna try. I don't understand Huda. To go over the top of that, I am going to dip into Infatuated, which is a pressed glitter. And so I'm going to just see how that all works out. Hopefully it's good, hopefully it's dandy, hopefully it's fine, but you never know. So to blend out the outer corners some more, I'm going to dip into Love Bite again and just kind of deepen the shade just a little bit. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to dip into Crave and just, you know, highlight my brow. Next, I'm going to dip into Daydream, which is what I put all over my lid, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner, and I'm going to mix that with some Crave to really highlight my inner corners. Yeah. So off camera, I'm going to line my waterline, put on some mascara, maybe a little eyeliner, depends on how I feel. So I'll be back in a few seconds. But on here it'll be like that, and then I'll be done. Ready? And my mascara's done. I lined my waterline, and I put on a little bit of lipstick because I felt like it wasn't complete without it. So yeah. So final thoughts about the new Nude palette from Huda Beauty. I actually like it a lot. I feel like there should be something more in the pressed glitters because it's just loose glitter. I mean, I know that some people have glitter glue for their eyelids, but I don't. I haven't invested in that yet because I don't put glitter on my eyes a whole lot, and when I do, it's a nasty mess to take off. So, hopefully the concealed shade in the palette, which is the basic eyeshadow primer, I guess, will keep my eyeshadow sticking and lasting all day. I don't know that yet, but yeah, I will put that in the description below if it stayed, if it didn't. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. I don't know what I'd call you guys yet, but yeah. If you have any future video ideas for me, feel free to comment down below and tell me what I should do for my next video or for my next few videos from now. Because I'm out of ideas, kind of, ish. I don't know. You'll find out later. Thank you so very much for watching this. If you want to follow me on any other social medias, I always link those in the description below. So, yeah. Thank you so very much for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys again, and I hope that you guys watch me again. And without further ado, bye-bye!